Hey guys, welcome to our e-commerce workshop. My name's Yukta and I'm the CEO at Next Step Business, an organization committed to bringing essential business knowledge to the next generation of leaders. Today, we're going to be talking about e-commerce, what it is, the necessary paperwork involved, and how businesses operate on platforms like Amazon, Spotify, and eBay. We'll be covering several key topics of e-commerce to give you a well-rounded understanding of how online businesses operate. We'll start off with the basics, what e-commerce actually is and why it has become such a powerful industry. Then we'll dive into the behind the scenes then we'll dive into the behind the scenes essentials like the paperwork businesses need to fill out, including W-4s, I-9s, contracts, and Form 940. After that, we'll explore different e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Shopify, and eBay and discuss how they compare. To bring everything together, we'll take a closer look at Amazon, analyzing what makes it successful and how its business model works. Finally, we'll wrap up things with key takeaways to ensure you leave this workshop with actionable insights to apply to your own journey. Before we dive into the specifics, let's start with the foundation. What exactly is e-commerce? At its core, e-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. Instead of going to a physical store, customers can browse, select, and purchase items from anywhere with just a few clicks. E-commerce as we know it today began in the 1990s when companies started selling products online. Fast forward to now, it has completely transformed the global retail industry. What once seemed like a futuristic concept is now a normal part of our daily lives. From ordering groceries to subscribing to digital services, e-commerce has made shopping more accessible and convenient than ever before. And it's not just about convenience. E-commerce has grown into a multi-trillion dollar industry, shaping economies, consumer behavior, and business strategies worldwide. Companies no longer need physical stores to succeed. They can reach customers across the globe without ever opening a storefront. This has allowed businesses of all sizes, from small startups to major corporations like Amazon and Alibaba, to thrive in the online marketplace. One of the biggest reasons e-commerce has taken off is accessibility. Whether you're an individual selling handmade crafts or a multinational brand launching a new product, e-commerce gives everyone a platform to reach potential customers. The internet has leveled from the playing field, allowing smaller businesses to compete with industry giants by using smart marketing strategies, social media, and direct-to-consumer sales. For consumers, e-commerce isn't just about having more options, it's about the ease of use. People can shop anytime, anywhere, and have products delivered straight to their doorstep. With mobile shopping, same-day delivery, and subscription services, e-commerce continues to redefine what convenience means. As we move forward in this workshop, we'll explore not only how e-commerce works, but how you can take advantage of this ever-growing industry. Whether you're looking to start your own online store or simply understand the business side of it, knowing the basics of e-commerce is the first step. Now we have a clear understanding of what e-commerce is. Let's talk about the technical side, what paperwork businesses need to fill out to operate legally and efficiently. Since we understand what e-commerce is and why it's so impactful, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked but is absolutely essential, paperwork. Before you can start selling online, you need to make sure your business is legally registered and compliant with tax regulations. First, let's talk about formation documents. If you're starting a business, you may need to file articles of incorporation if you're forming a corporation, or other business formation documents if you're setting up an LLC or sole proprietorship. If you're starting a business, you may need to file articles of incorporation if you're forming a corporation, or other business formation documents if you're setting up an LLC or sole proprietorship. Depending on your location and the nature of your business, you might also need a business license to operate legally. Next, you need a tax identification number, also known as an employer identification number, which is EIN. This is like a social security number for your business and is issued by the IRS. It's required if you plan on hiring employees, opening a business bank account, or handling business taxes. Even if you're running a small online store on your own, having an EIN can help help separate your personal and business finances, making tax season much smoother. And speaking of taxes, you also need to register for sales tax in your state. This is crucial because as an online seller, you may be required to collect and remit sales tax on purchases made by customers in certain states. Some states have what's called a sales tax nexus, meaning if you have a significant presence there, whether it's a warehouse office or a large number of sales, you must collect taxes from customers in that state, and specifically sales taxes. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon often have built-in tax calculators, but as a business owner, it's your responsibility to ensure you're properly registered and compliant. Beyond taxes, you may also need licenses and permits depending on what you're selling. For example, if you're selling food, alcohol, or health-related products, you will likely need special permits to ensure compliance with local, state, and federal laws. Even digital businesses that sell software courses or subscriptions may need certain licenses, depending on where they operate. While paperwork may not be the most exciting part of e-commerce, it's definitely one of the most important. Making sure your business is legally set up from the start will save you a lot of trouble down the road. Plus, it builds credibility. Customers are more likely to trust businesses that are properly registered and transparent about their operations. Now that we've covered the essential paperwork, let's take a closer look at some of the most common. Now that we've covered the essential paperwork, let's take a closer look at some of the most common forms businesses need to fill out, including the W-9, I-9 contracts, and Form 940. To touch on the W-4 form, this is filled out by employees when they start working for you, and it determines how much federal income tax should be withheld from their paychecks. The amount withheld depends on factors like the employee's filing status and the number of dependents they claim. Having accurate W-4 forms ensures that employees don't owe unexpected taxes at the end of the year or get over withheld throughout the year. Another key document is the I-9 form, which is used to verify an employee's identity and their authorization to work in the U.S. Employers must complete this form for every new hire, and employees need to provide valid documentation, such as a passport or social security card, to confirm their eligibility. Employers must complete this form for every new hire, and employees need to provide valid documentation such as a passport or a social security card to confirm their eligibility. This form is important because hiring someone who isn't legally authorized to work can result in penalties for your business. Beyond tax forms and verification, you'll also need employee contracts. These legal agreements outline job roles, responsibilities, compensation, benefits, and termination policies. A well-written contract protects both the employer and the employee by setting clear expectations from the start. This is especially important in e-commerce businesses that may hire remote workers, freelancers, or customer service representatives. Lastly, there's the Form 940, which is filed annually to report and pay federal unemployment taxes, also known as FUTA. These taxes help fund unemployment benefits for workers who lose their jobs. Even if your business is online, if you have employees, you'll likely need to file this form to stay compliant with labor laws. Handling employee paperwork may seem overwhelming, but it's essential for running a legitimate and scalable e-commerce business. Making sure these forms are properly filled out from the start will help you avoid legal issues and keep your business running smoothly. Now that we've covered the paperwork side of e-commerce, let's shift gears and explore the different platforms where you can set up your online stores, including Amazon, Shopify, and eBay. There are several different platforms available, and each one offers unique advantages depending on the type of business you want to run. The three biggest storefronts we'll discuss today are Amazon, Shopify, and eBay. Starting with Amazon, the giant of e-commerce, Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform in the world, with millions of sellers offering products across nearly every category imaginable. Whether you're a small business or a large retailer, Amazon provides access to a massive customer base. One of the biggest benefits of selling on Amazon is its fulfillment service. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, allows businesses to store their products in Amazon's warehouses. Amazon then handles storage, packaging, and shipping, making it easier for sellers to reach customers quickly. However, selling on Amazon does come with challenges. The competition is fierce, and sellers must pay various fees for listing products, using fulfillment services, and advertising. Additionally, since Amazon controls the platform, sellers have limited control over branding and customer relationships. But despite these drawbacks, Amazon remains a top choice for businesses looking to scale quickly and reach a global audience. Next, we have Shopify, which is perfect for businesses that want to build their online store rather than selling on a marketplace. Shopify provides customizable website templates, easy payment processing, and built-in tools for managing inventory, marketing, and more. Unlike Amazon, Shopify gives sellers full control over their branding, allowing them to design a unique storefront that reflects their business identity. A big advantage of Shopify is that it doesn't take a percentage of your sales like Amazon does. Instead, it charges a monthly subscription fee, and businesses keep more of their profits. However, Shopify does require more effort in terms of driving traffic to your site. Unlike Amazon, which already has millions of daily visitors, Shopify store owners must invest in marketing strategies like social media ads and search engine optimization to attract customers. Lastly, we have eBay, a well-known marketplace that operates differently from both Amazon and Shopify. eBay is famous for its auction-like listings, where buyers can bid on products over a set period. This makes it a great platform for selling rare, collectible, and secondhand items. However, sellers can also list items at fixed prices, similar to traditional online stores. One of the key benefits of eBay is its flexibility. Individuals and businesses alike can sell almost anything, from electronics to clothing to antiques. Plus, eBay's international reach makes it easier to sell to customers worldwide. However, like Amazon, sellers face listing fees and transaction fees, which can add up over time. Choosing the right platform depends on your business goals. If you want to scale quickly and reach a large audience, Amazon is a great option. If you want full control over branding and customer experience, Shopify might be the better choice. And if you're selling unique or collectible items, eBay's auction system could work in your favor. Now that we've covered the major storefronts, let's take a deeper dive into one of them. Amazon. We'll analyze how it works, what makes it so successful, and why it dominates the e-commerce space. Founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos, Amazon began as an online bookstore. However, it quickly transformed into much more. Amazon's business model is quite unique, combining direct sales, third-party sellers, and subscription services. The company operates not just as a retailer, but as a marketplace where third-party sellers can list and sell their products. This creates a massive selection of goods available to customers far beyond what Amazon itself could stock. In fact, about 60% of Amazon's sales come from these third-party sellers. What really distinguishes Amazon's business model is its ability to scale. While Amazon does sell its own inventory, it also facilitates sales from millions of other businesses through its platform. This marketplace model has allowed Amazon to grow exponentially, offering a wide range of products without the burden of stocking everything themselves. Another important aspect is Amazon Prime, a subscription service that started with a free 2-day shipping. Another important aspect is Amazon Prime, a subscription service that started with free 2-day shipping but has since expanded. Today, Amazon Prime offers a wide range of benefits, including exclusive access to streaming content on Prime Video, Prime Music, and early access to special deals. The subscription model creates steady, recurring revenue, contributing significantly to Amazon's success. In addition to its marketplace and subscription service, Amazon has pioneered innovations that have had a profound impact on e-commerce. One of these innovations was the introduction of one-click shopping, which simplified the checkout process, making it easier and faster for customers to purchase products. This innovation reduced friction in the buying process and became a key feature of Amazon's platform. Another groundbreaking innovation is Amazon Web Services, or AWS. This started as a way for Amazon to handle its own infrastructure needs, but has grown into a leading cloud computing service that provides cloud storage, processing power, and data analytics to thousands of businesses worldwide. This now accounts for a significant portion of Amazon's revenue and has positioned the company as a leader, not only in e-commerce, but in cloud services. Amazon's global presence also plays a crucial role in its success. The company operates in over 200 companies and has developed an extensive logistics network to support its global operations. Amazon's fulfillment centers and delivery infrastructure enable them to ship products quickly, often within a matter of days, to customers around the world. What makes Amazon's logistics network particularly impressive is its ability to manage and scale operations. The company has built a system that integrates fulfillment centers, delivery stations, and even its own transportation network to streamline the delivery process. This global infrastructure allows Amazon to meet the growing demand for fast and efficient delivery, which is a key factor in its competitive edge. The speed at which Amazon can deliver products has set a new standard for the e-commerce industry. The company is constantly innovating to improve its delivery times, and they're even experimenting with autonomous delivery vehicles and drones. This drive for speed and efficiency is a major reason why Amazon has maintained its dominant position in the market. Another key factor in Amazon's success is its ability to continually innovate. The company has expanded beyond traditional retail into areas like entertainment, cloud computing, grocery delivery, and even healthcare. This diversification has allowed Amazon to stay ahead of competitors and create new revenue streams. In summary, Amazon's journey from a small online bookstore to the global e-commerce giant we know today demonstrates the power of innovation, scalability, and customer-centric business practices. By combining direct sales, a vast third-party marketplace, a subscription model, and cutting-edge technology, Amazon has set the standard for what is possible in e-commerce. Its global reach and logistic capabilities have redefined customer expectations, while its willingness to diversify in new industries show the company's commitment to growth and adaptability. Amazon's success provides valuable lessons for anyone looking to understand the complexities of modern e-commerce. The company's ability to adapt and innovate in response to changing market demands have been a key driver of its growth and success. As we move forward in this presentation, it's important to consider how these principles can be applied to other e-commerce platforms and businesses. Now let's explore what has driven Amazon's tremendous success over the years. There are several key factors that have contributed to Amazon's position as the global leader in e-commerce. First, Amazon's commitment to innovation has played a crucial role in its success. Amazon is constantly adapting and introducing new technologies to improve its operations and enhance the customer experience. One such example is its exploration of drone delivery. While this may seem futuristic, Amazon has been testing drone delivery systems for several years, aiming to reduce delivery times and improve efficiency. By embracing cutting-edge technology, Amazon is always looking for ways to stay ahead of the competition. Another technology Amazon has heavily invested in is AI. The company uses artificial intelligence to power its personalized recommendations, which suggest products based on browsing history, previous purchases, and even customer reviews. These AI-driven recommendations help drive sales by making it easier for customers to discover new products they're likely to buy. This use of AI is a perfect example of how tech can enhance the shopping experience. Next, let's go ahead into Amazon's customer-centric approach. One of the primary reasons for Amazon's success is its unwavering focus on the customer. Amazon has made customer satisfaction a top priority by continuously improving its delivery speed, simplifying returns, and offering personalized services. For example, Prime members enjoy free, fast shipping, which has become a major selling point for the service. Amazon's fast delivery services have set a new standard in e-commerce. And what's interesting is that Amazon's focus on fast delivery isn't just about speed, it's about convenience. Amazon has developed a robust system of fulfillment centers, shipping options, and advanced tracking systems, all designed to ensure that products reach customers as quickly and efficiently as possible. Easy returns further improve the experience by making it simple for customers to return unwanted items with minimal hassle. When it comes to personalization, Amazon uses data to customize the entire shopping experience. From the layout of the website to the product recommendations, every aspect is designed to make it easier for customers to find and purchase products. This level of personalization has created a shopping experience that feels tailored specifically to each individual, which builds customer loyalty and encourages repeat business. Let's turn our attention to Amazon's global reach, though. Another important factor in Amazon's success is its ability to expand into new markets. The company has continued to grow its presence in countries all over the world. Amazon doesn't just launch its core platform in new regions, it customizes the shopping experience to meet the needs and preferences of local customers. Amazon's ability to localize its platform has been a key to its success in international markets by offering localized versions of its website and adapting to cultural and economic conditions. Amazon has managed to gain a strong foothold in many countries, whether it's language translation, local payment methods, or region-specific promotions. Amazon ensures that its platform is relevant to each market it enters. For example, in India, Amazon tailored its platform to fit local preferences, offering a mobile-friendly app for users who predominantly shop on their smartphones. They also offer products and services that cater to local tastes and needs, which has helped them build a significant presence in the region. This adaptability has been crucial in helping Amazon grow its global customer base. Finally, let's discuss Amazon's diversification strategy. While Amazon started as a retailer, it has since expanded into various industries, including cloud computing, streaming, and hardware. Its move into cloud computing with Amazon Web Services has been particularly successful, generating a substantial portion of the company's revenue. Amazon's expansion into streaming with Amazon Prime Video has also allowed the company to build an even more loyal customer base by offering exclusive movies, TV shows, and original content. This has helped Amazon not only attract new customers, but also retain existing ones by giving them more value through their Prime membership. Amazon's venture into hardware with products like the Echo Smart Speaker and Kindle e-readers further showcase the company's ability to diversify. These products integrate seamlessly into Amazon's broader ecosystem, helping to create a more connected and personalized experience for users. In conclusion, Amazon's success can be attributed to its constant innovation, focus on customer experience, global expansion, and diversification. By embracing new tech like AI and drones, maintaining a customer-centric approach, expanding globally with localized platforms, Amazon has not only revolutionized the e-commerce industry, but has set the tone. As we conclude today's presentation, it's important to reflect on the impact e-commerce has had on both businesses and consumers. E-commerce has fundamentally reshaped how businesses operate and how consumers shop. The shift to online platforms has not only transformed traditional brick-and-mortar stores, but has also opened up new avenues for businesses to reach customers across the globe. E-commerce has made it easier for businesses to scale and for customers to access products from all over the world. No longer are customers limited to local stores. With just a few clicks, they can order goods from anywhere. This accessibility has dramatically changed consumer behavior, with more people choosing to shop online for its convenience, speed, and variety. And for businesses, e-commerce offers a level of reach and efficiency that is a lot greater. Companies can now sell to anyone, anywhere without the limitations of geographic location or physical store hours getting in the way. This has leveled up the playing field, allowing small startups to compete with large corporations in ways that were never possible before. However, with these opportunities come new challenges. Understanding the basics of e-commerce, including the necessary paperwork and the most popular platforms, is crucial for anyone looking to get involved in the space. Whether you're starting a business, managing one, or even just working within the industry, it's important to understand the foundational elements that drive e-commerce operations. This includes knowing about things like W-4 forms for taxing withholding, I-9 forms for employment verification, contracts for business agreements, and the various platforms available for selling, like Amazon, Shopify, and eBay. As we've seen today, the e-commerce world offers countless opportunities for both entrepreneurs and established companies. With the right tools, knowledge, and mindset, there are almost no limit to what can be achieved. In fact, the evolution of e-commerce has only just begun. With continuous advancement advancements in technology, we can expect even more exciting opportunities to emerge, from AI-driven shopping experience to new forms of delivery and customer interaction. E-commerce has become a key driver of innovation. It's clear that its influence will only continue to grow. So there's never been a better time to dive in. With the right knowledge and straightforward thinking approach, you can be part of the next wave of e-commerce innovation. Congratulations, you've made it to the end. To explore more topics of the business world, we highly encourage you to take a look at the resources linked in the description box. Make sure to check out more videos from Next Up Business and sign up for our newsletters. Bye!